Last episode of the Roy Garage, you saw us patch this spot of the floor right here. Next, we're going to build a support from the back side here down to here. So I cut my piece of cardboard a little bit smaller, similar to the piece of steel that we're going to be putting in here. Now I can fit it back behind here, and we can figure out some of the angles of the metal that we're mating up to and how far apart they are. So I got to cut that at kind of an angle. Well, that wasn't the way I wanted. There we go. Seems like I'm butting up against there nicely. Mark this. Kind of like that. Doesn't need to be perfect because we can always take a big hammer to it, put a torch to it, 5 gallons of gasoline, a lighter. Like, there's a lot of things we can do. All right, we're going to take our floor out to get a better look at what we're trying to build here. The only thing I can think of, Lee, is if we need to come up with this. The goal when you're making your cardboard template is to have as least amount of lines on it as possible, so that way you don't get confused on what line is what. Alright, so that gives us our space to be able to pull this up a little bit. Shoot, while I clean up some of this metal here first. And down here. Then tack it into place. Gonna poke a little bit, get a little paint come on, huh? Wow, nice and straight. My feet got hot a little there. Should we go see what it looks like?
Yes. Action.
Not bad. Messing around. Freaking A. Boy, that did a lot of good. There we go. I think we might be close enough for a farmer. Hey,
let's go.
Let's weld it.
Weld it. Send it.
That's good, except the last part got a little hot.
Burn a hole.
Nothing I can't fill in. There, that's boogered up good. Definitely a lot more strength there, especially once we tie it into that other side.
Yes.
And if we ever take this cab off here, we can always weld the backside up too. Sweet!
If you're enjoying this firewall build on our cab swap Dodge project, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly episodes.
The nice thing about cardboard aided design is if you're going to mirror something, all you have to do is flip it.